Hello, my name is Chris Roberts. I'm a class action attorney in St. Louis, Missouri. And today I want to talk about some legal news that has absolutely nothing to do with class actions. But it is something you've probably seen on the internet or your local news. It's blowing up everywhere. And that is, I want to talk a little bit about the lawyer who appeared at a Zoom hearing in Texas who could not get the cat filter off of his Zoom. So for those of you that have not seen the clip, let me give you a little bit of context. The lawyer appeared for Zoom and he had a cat filter stuck on the Zoom and he could not remove it. So in other words, his face appeared to be a cat, and when his eyes moved, it appeared the cat's eyes were moving. When his lips moved, it appeared that the cat's lips were moving. I want to show you the clip to see what you think.
Mr. Ponton, I believe you have a filter turned on in the video settings. You might want to take
We're
a look.
trying to, can you hear me, Judge?
I can hear you. I think it's a filter.
It is, and I don't know how to remove it. I've got my assistant here. She's trying to, but I'm prepared to go forward with it. I'm here live. I'm not a cat.
I can see that. I think if you click the up arrow next to this.
So my thoughts about the Zoom filter are, one, it's absolutely hilarious. I can't tell you how many times I've watched that clip over the last few days. I love how when his head moves, the cat's head moves. When the lawyer's eyes move, the cat's eyes move. When his lips move, the lawyer's lips move. It is absolutely hilarious. And what I found equally funny was that the other two people on the video, they didn't laugh. They really restrained themselves. I know if I was in the middle of that hearing, I would probably burst out laughing just as I did at home. The other takeaway I have from this is I wanted to give a big kudos to the lawyer for his dedication to his client, because if you listen to the clip, the lawyer says, "I'm ready to proceed." So in other words, the lawyer, even though he had a Zoom cat filter stuck on his face and it appeared that a cat was speaking rather than him advocating for his client, he still had the dedication to want to proceed and with the hearing. So I thought that was it was not only funny, but it really showed dedication. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It had nothing to do with class actions, but I wanted to talk a little bit about this because it's been all over the news. If you have any class action questions or you want to discuss a potential class action case, feel free to reach out. And thanks again for listening.